Hi and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, we're going to do a full-on training, a full-on campaign on how I'm going to do native ads. So this is basically an introduction to native ads and how you can generate money from Maxbounty or ClickBank, etc. But for this specific training, I'm going to be promoting an offer on Maxbounty. I'm going to share with you the steps that I need to take in order to actually create this ad. And all the other rest of the stuff that I'm going to do. I'm going to be using a spy tool. I'm going to be using a landing page creator that I'm going to create my lander. And I'm going to be promoting an offer that is converting right now as native ads, etc. Now, I need to put this disclaimer out. Native ads is something that I'm actually testing out right now for my next course that I'm going to bring out. So I decided to do some free training to share with you what this is all about and why it could be pretty much what do you call it? It'll be converting. Well, this could be the fastest way of having conversions happen on Maxbounty or ClickBank or any other CPA place that you want, platform you want to be on. Now, before I continue, please go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you can get more of these amazing trainings that I'm doing. I'm not promoting anything in this training, just letting you know. This is a full-on training. So all I want you to do is stick around with me through the whole thing. We're going to get it from the start. Just the whole process of how I go about creating ads on native ad platforms. So this platform is called the MGID dashboard platform, and it's a native ad platform, or it could be also push ad platform. But I'm going to be creating an ad on native ads. I will create training on push ads as well, push notifications, as I've been testing on that, and it's with Propeller Ads. It's another network. So all these are training that I'm creating, and so I can get some results. So then I can create a course and then teach you all the winning campaigns that I've done or whatever. And plus some softwares I'm going to be releasing later in the future that has to do with this specific thing that I'm doing. So let's get started. Now, right now, I'm going to head over to Anstrex, and Anstrex is a spy tool that I am a member of. This is optional. It's up to you how you can go about doing and finding ads that work. But I'm going to share with you two ways of doing this and how you can make you can do your research without an actual spy tool. But because I can afford it and I can test it out, it's like $59 a month. I'm using this for native ads because it's got two options: native ads or push ads, and whatever. So native ads, what is it? It's ads that you see like these, like you can see some examples. And I'm leaving it on this page specifically because I found the product that I want to do. I don't want to spend too much time, but I'll explain what I did in order to figure out what I'm going to be using. So I came here and I added the Maxbounty. I'm going to be promoting an offer on Maxbounty. Okay, so I chose that. I chose the network where this is MGID. This is where I want to find other ads that are promoting this kind of thing. And I also did a sort by and date last seen so I can see which ads are still running today. Because, you know, if we think about this, if this is running from June 12th to September 5th, it only tells me that this is converting for this person, this exact ad that you see right here. So I want to take advantage of this and piggyback in a way of what somebody else has done. Now I'm going to share with you how we can find other places where you can see the results to spy on. But first we'll do this ad as what I'm going to do. So next thing I will do is click on this so I can find out what are they doing. What is my competition doing? So right now this person is sending people over to a link to a page that looks something like this, okay? Now my idea is to basically copy this specific template, because right as soon as they click on the watch now, it takes them over to an offer that is found on Maxbounty. Now, why are they taking them through? Why are they doing this through a bridge page? Well, this is for many reasons. It's to track better. It's to maybe build an audience so you can retarget that people that have clicked on there, and you can promote through Facebook, maybe something else. So there's so many other facts. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to actually create a bridge page, landing page based on this of what I found. Okay. And then after this, I'm going to be creating an ad on here. All right. So the first thing that I want to do right now is actually create this lander. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use the one tool that I've always been using, Igloo, to do my thing. So here I've created another lander template for this, so I can skip all the really creating part. All right. So let me just get it. So I created a disability guide funnel, all right, with a thank you and, well, not a thank you, but a straight up page where it looks like this. Oh, no, sorry, wrong one. This is for my, this is another lander that I used. Okay, I need to find the disability MGID. Diabetes. All right. Diabetes fix. So if you notice, this is close to that template right there. It's a little bit different, but I've done this template. This is my little template that I'm creating. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is actually duplicate that into the one that they have here. All right. So I'm just gonna copy what they kind of did. Okay, just give me a second for it to load. And this, I want to clone it. So let me exit. All right, so I'm going to clone this. And I'm going to name this the 2020 MGID Maxbounty. So I know which one it is. Edit funnel. All right, that's the offer. And now at Maxbounty, I found the offer. Okay, I'm approved for it already, and I'm going to be doing native ads. Okay, so I'm going to be getting the links and everything, connecting it all together. So right now I'm going to call this, okay, let me name this something else. So this would be, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna change the titling. Again, I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna do this. Actually, I'm gonna do this instead. So you know, if you're pretty smart on how to, you know, play around with things, you can create your own like on another lander, for example. See what I'm doing, and then just find ways to actually create this in a way. Okay, this is what I do. And it works for me. So I could use just that instead of that. So I can do that. Okay. Now I can make it a little bit so it looks better. So okay, there's like a border. Put one. Maybe the border, I want it to be hashed bridge outset. Okay, so then I'm going to take this image. Vision. Okay. And come down here. I'm going to take all this, copy it, fix it up a little bit. And I'm definitely going to change these unlink. Make sure you unlink because there are links taking from the other person. So if you're going to copy something, make sure you are removing the links. All right. So everything looks fine. Okay. I am copying this. All right. I can put advertisement on top. Word right there. Oh, it's here. Okay, cool. All right. I'm gonna fix the border again a little bit here. Okay, let me check everything for mobile. Should be good. Okay, and I will save this. So right now I've created my page. Now I'm going to get my links to the offer. So I'm going to head over to ClickBank. I'm going to do native raw link, native, and I'm going to put MGID. So I know this is coming from there. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. Let me refresh. Okay, refreshing again. I had to refresh. Native raw link. Copy my link. Oh, MGID. Copy my link. Now I'm gonna head over to ClickMagick. This is my tracking place. All right. Now, if you want to use any of these tools, the links are going to be below, but they're optional. Okay, this is what I would do. All right. Did I get the right link? Let me try it again. There we go. There, and I'm going to call this 2020 MGID. Okay, 2020. So I'm going to track conversions. Don't worry about this. This is a little bit more advanced. Just want to make sure that I've got everything right. So I'm going to copy that, come back to my Maxbounty offer, and post back code. Okay, so it connects everything, and I know where my sales are coming from and all that great stuff. Okay, so back to my links. Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to change is actually this. Don't worry about this again. I'm not doing something different, just wanted to fix something. This is not training for for tracking right now. Okay, just doing it for me so I don't have to go back into it again. Just wanted to change that. Okay. I made a mistake before. Anyway, so okay, I got this ready. Now I've got my link. So what I want to do with my link is put it in my actual lander. So I'm going to take this, copy, come back. So I'm going to put here. Okay. Save. I'm going to put image. Save. Scroll down. Hyperlinking these with a link. Okay, so I am ready. Now I'm going to connect this to my site, Trip Limited, Passion Limited. Alright, so this is the actual lander that I'm sending traffic to. And one more thing that I'm going to do is also check it on my phone in order to see that it's working properly on a mobile phone. So I always like to do this as well. Passion. Alright, the mobile is fine. It all works just like I wanted it to. And now I'm ready to actually create this campaign inside the actual the ad VID. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to create a new campaign. So I'm going to create ad campaign. I have to log in. I'm also going to create an actual lander for this. So and again, I did one small mistake. I just need to change this to this. Okay. So I'm taking this copy, heading over to my campaign that I'm going to create. All right, so I'm going to call this 2020 campaign type, product promotion, and I'm going to scroll down and go to medical health, and I'll do diseases and conditions. Let me just check for healthy living. Other diseases and conditions. Eye and vision conditions. You see this? All right. So I'm gonna do English, and I'm gonna scroll down. I will choose now. I'm gonna do English-speaking countries. Okay. So I'm gonna do English-speaking top-tier countries. So I'm just gonna add them all here. New Zealand. I'm gonna do browser English. And targeting, I'm going to do, you know, the good thing is to do one ad with a desktop and one with mobile and test it out. So I'm just doing desktop, and then I'm just going to click on confirm. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to do this sale, post back. Okay. These are basically tracking, okay? It's more advanced. I'm not going to sit and explain etc. So now I created my campaign. Now in this campaign, I'm going to create my actual ad for this specific offer. So I'm going to head over to ClickMagick and get my links. And what I'm going to put here is the link of the lander that I created earlier. So get my 2020 lander, copy, enter it there. Now you need to put this in HTTPS. So here I'm going to use whatever was used in Anstrex. Okay. So let me open up Anstrex, and I'm going to just copy this, come over. And put it there. Okay, iron conditions, and now the image. I'm going to take the image that I found here. Oh, didn't want to put that one. Try again. One second. Okay, so I'm adding the image. Not sure if it got it right. Okay, so this whole thing, this. All right. Now I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to try 4.5 as a CPC. You're not going to be charged 4.5 cents or anything. Just keep that in mind. Now I'm supposed to add another 10 ads here, so you have more chances of making it work. And I'm just going to add 10 more with different images and testing out things, etc. Okay, so that's how I'm, created. That's how I'm creating campaigns using native ads. Okay. So right now I've already got something that's running for another offer. Okay, I'm already getting like 4 clicks, spent 18 cents, etc. And now this is going to be active in a bit. I was testing out the Cinderella offer where I had some results. Let me go back. Hopefully it'll show the results. I was getting 130 clicks with an average of 4.43 cents per click with 4 ads that I've created. I've got 7 ads here. I'm going to add another 8 maybe ads on this one and see if I get any results. I hope I do. This is what it takes for me to actually, test things out. I'm actually paying tools. I'm actually testing things so I can find the ones that work and help you out. Now, if anybody wanted to test this out, go ahead. You got to invest yourself $100 to come into MGID. so you can start. Once you put your 100, then you can test out things as I just showed you. This is one way. Another way is actually finding, without using spy tools. Now, the way you can find your competition and what's working right now is actually finding blogs in your niche. Like, so I'm pretty sure you visited a lot of blogs, and when you scroll down, like either from posts that are done on Facebook, on your newsfeed, you find these at the end, okay? You can see that right here in the corner, it says like MGID. Well, these are competitors doing exactly what I just did, and this is specifically for a specific niche, okay? So you can come here and search and see what ads are being done here and what they're doing to take you through. Like, you could go through the funnel yourself so you can see what they're promoting, and that you can actually do the same thing, okay? So they're promoting something here for sure, definitely. So if I scroll, next page, career, I don't even know what this is, but this was promoted on MGID, okay? It could be, okay, there's another one here, MGID. This is for dating offers that you can use, and they are direct linking over to this. So another great thing about native ads is that you can do direct linking. So this is how you would go about like researching. You just gotta, I don't know what niche you're in, so put it on Google, get in, or from the blogs that you're already posting, so you can see what your competition is doing. But it takes time, etc. That's why I'm using Anstrex, where I've got all the information right off the bat for the specific native ads that I want to do, okay? So this is how you do native ads. This is how I'm promoting offers on Maxbounty, maybe ClickBank. There's all these networks that you can choose from where people are actually using this to generate results, etc. Okay, I'm testing this out still, but I know it works because a lot of people are doing it. Anyway, I'm doing it till I get the right results so I can bring out more information, etc. But consider this as an opening and invitation, introduction to native ads. People that want to take CPA affiliate marketing serious, use the strategy that I showed you. It's one of the best taught strategies as well. Okay, just so I'm letting you know. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this free training. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment below for any questions regarding this, and if I can help, I'll let you know. If I get results, I'm pretty sure I'm going to let you know about it, either through my course or either through another training. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you later. Peace out.